So right now there's been a big forest fire in the Simlipal forest. Simlipal forest is a biosphere reserve. It's a UNESCO declared property, and it is, I think, 6th or 7th largest in Asia. And we have diversified climates over there. We have trees, plants, orchids, varieties of animals inside the forest. And every year there have been incidences of forest fires. This year the fire has gone out of control. And there are two reasons. First of all, the summer has hit in very hard immediately after the rains, after the winter, sorry, and the leaves have fallen, and a little bit of spark or anything also just starts off a very big fire. Secondly, it's the mahua collection time, so the villagers are collecting mahua, and so many a times below the trees they collect the leaves and they burn the leaves, and sometimes maybe they don't put it off, and that also spreads the fire. The reason why we were being a little vocal about it this time is because from the day one, I'm sure when the fire started, the forest officers must have been on it, but they were not able to control it. So if they had alerted the seniors and at the state level or maybe the central level, the help would have come in earlier and the damage would have been less. So I feel, first of all, the Simlipal forest is like something like 2,000, close to 3,000 square kilometers area. We need much more forest people living in the forest officers and the guards and everything. Satellite images are available. We are now getting satellite images. I can share some with you even of today. So if these modern technologies are available, they should be, worked upon immediately. And in case the people working with them are not able to relate to the staff for whatever reasons, they're not well equipped or something, then we need better people at the forest officers level to be able to understand the thing. Secondly, we have always felt that the people who are living inside the forest we have to work in a forest in harmony with the animals and the Adivasis. The indigenous tribes have been living there for years. We cannot isolate them or the animals or the forest. Everyone has to work together. So my suggestion to the government would be that why not employ more people who are living inside the villages to help you out. I am not sure whether the mining has been done with permission of the government or is just done by the mafias. There is poaching going on in the forest. There is trees being cut, and deforestation is happening in such a large scale. And timber trees have been cut and things like that. And I won't be able to comment on the fact whether it's being done with the permission of the government or without the permission of the government. And they should not allow any of these activities. Akshata, when she tweeted about the forest fire, she also tweeted that last week, that week itself, they had got 50 kgs of tusks, ivory was caught over there. So then how did that happen? With so many forest officers, and there are so many departments within the Simlipal, like there's a Orissa Forest Department, then there's a Simlipal Tiger Reserve Department, there are various departments. For an ordinary person like us to get into Simlipal, we need so many permissions. But then how do these people manage to get inside and get away with all this?